Just heard a whistle again.
You heard a whistle again? Mm-hmm. Hey everybody, Jeffrey, Jolene here again. I don't know where they're at. But we should have a train coming in a thunderstorm. Let's check it out. We don't have any curtains in an automobile. I'm sorry. Or I don't have anywhere to have it on me. And I'm sorry. I'm trying to do my best.
Why? Because why?
I was talking about weather earlier.
What are you doing now? Playing what? Are you going to draw on the wall anymore? Where do you draw? What is that? Paper.
It expired yet?
3:45.
I said it's expired yet.
Nope, we still got 8 minutes.
Nope, another 8 minutes and then we should be done. It should be pretty much done. Oh, starting to rain. What?
I don't see any on there. I just hear leaves.
I was afraid there's going to be rain coming in after the thunderstorms hit. I think they're at the grain mill.
Where's that?
In front of us. Oh, God. I'm already at the OC at the other side of the OC&T, and then we're getting those storms coming. It should be letting up here shortly. Because we're at the Tiger place right now. I should have got 2 more trains, but my cell phone's out right now.
The storm's already just about past us. See, it's 3:40 right now. This is where we are. And here's the bad.
Yeah, but the dark right on our left side is a dark sky.
Yep. But the worst of the thunderstorms above us. See that?
Yeah. Well, let's show it on the radar right now. Let's put the camera on radar. Right there. Right there. Let's play it.
There's future.
Do you have the future radar?
That's when we got here. Yep. They're out of here.
Let's zoom in so we can see. Here we go, That's better,
This is 3:30.
It's like 3:30.
And it's out of here.
And it's gone. Okay, thank you. Thank you, radar, Thank you, Doppler radar,
Now let's hope they're right, because that does look like a wicked cloud, doesn't it?
Got a lot of wicked stuff out here. Whoa, God!
That was just the door. That was the door opening. You okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Nope, that's okay.
I am sorry.
You're all right. You're all right.
I am sorry.
You're okay.
I hate...
Well, you're already tense, so any noise, you'll be all right.
But I'm really afraid.
I get it.
We should have got the. What happened to the door to get wind out? Camera's gonna be shaking right now because of the wind. Expired?
Technically, we still got 3 minutes.
Uh-huh. Come on, trains. I can't get out in the middle of rain, or I'm sorry, middle of storms. Either it's tornadoes or severe weather, or severe thunderstorms. One of the two. They still didn't. They still didn't let up. See what my clock says. Another minute. The truck's not on.
Yeah, I know. I was seeing if the screen would come on.
No?
Well, I guess not.
It's over now. All right. I'm sorry. You want to see that wicked sky before I get off? It's right there, right? Right there. That wicked sky right there on the right. That's where the storms are at. Alright, I think that's going to be it for weather. Just getting the weather reports right now. and then we'll be back on later with the net. We'll be back on in a couple minutes. We'll be back on in my train expert channel in a couple of minutes. See if something else, any trains come by. Talk to you later.